Hello, everyone. My name is David Van Sicklen, and I'm here to show you some tips and tricks for how to use Seesaw more effectively or to make it work the way you want it to work. And so today, I wanted to show you how you can create your very own activities in Seesaw. So as you've probably have been using this first week or two, you've been assigning activities through the activity library. As you know, there's some amazing activities that are built for your grade level and specific subject matters that are great. There's also some activities in there that are not so great. And if you're like me, you might have gotten to the point where you're ready to start flexing that creative muscle of yours and begin creating your very own activities that you know would be great for your students or might kind of be great review material for some of the stuff that you've been doing already throughout this year. So to do that, you create the new activity button. You give yourself a nice title, um, obviously probably more student friendly than mine. You type your instructions, and you can make these instructions um, look exactly like they look in those pre-built activities you've been doing, and you can even get those fancy dancy icons to appear. So to do that, you write what the instructions are. So tap the add response button, and in order to find the Seesaw icons shortcuts, all I did was I Google searched Seesaw icons and found this in the Help Center. And it offers you like a Rosetta Stone to make these icons appear. So in this case, I want this one. So I'm going to do colon add colon, no spaces in between. So I'll delete that. And then I can continue down, tap your name, um, and then I can do click the T to move or to sort your words um, under the right heading. And then I can continue going, click the record button to record yourself reading your words once they are sorted. And you guys get the idea, right? Now I need to go back up here and check out what that T label is. So that T label is colon label colon. And the record button, let's see what that microphone is. Oh, it's colon mic colon. So click the. Now, eventually, I would assume that when you're making a lot of activities, these things, especially the ones you use a lot, like mic, label, and add, will be memorized. So once you finish up your written instructions, you can add voice instructions really easily by just clicking the add voice instructions. You can add multimedia examples for students, and you can add a template for student responses. So in this case, I could take a photo, um, or I could upload something. So in this case, I've uploaded a document already. So I'm going to select from my drive, and I got to find my word sort, and boom. So now I have my word sort mat, and I could also then create my labels of CVC, double tap CVCE, and now with the label button, I can move it, make it smaller, and obviously this is not going to be a work of art. Um, and then I could also then begin creating my words. Now, there's a lot of things you can add in there, like your microphone, a voice of yourself, some other things, but you'd obviously, in this case, you'd want to make sure your labels are where they need to be and have all of your words set. And then this is what the words they would be sorting. They would be clicking and dragging the words in my activity over here. This is super simple activity, obviously. Nice thing too is you can lock certain things so they don't move at all. So for example, my headings won't have to be moved by the kids. And then I am good to go. I can hit save and I can assign my activity to my students. I hope that's helpful for those of you that are ready to move on to the next level of your Seesaw usage. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a good one.